Hello everyone. Now I'm going to teach you how to factor trinomials when it's written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, these are the steps, so go ahead and pause the video so that you can copy this down, or if you already have your notes, just have that out with you. Okay, in the first example, the first thing it says to do is to multiply your a and your c. So that means I'm multiplying 2 times 3, negative 3, and I get negative 6. Now I have to think of what two numbers multiply to equal that, but when I add them, they equal negative 5. And the two values that work are negative 6 and 1. So in my box, those are the two values I'll put in the far upper right box and the bottom left. And both of these numbers will have an x after it. So when we factor out using GCF, we will also take in consideration that they have an x. Okay, and then looking at my trinomial, I'll always look at the first value, or the first term, excuse me, and put that in the first box. And I'll look at the last term and put that in the last box that's empty. Now, all I'm going to do is factor using GCF. All right, the first one I'm going to factor is the 2x squared minus 6x. And when I get my answer, I'll put it out on the far left. So my GCF between 2x squared and negative 6x is 2x. And right below it, I'm going to factor my GCF between 1x and negative 3. The only value that I can divide into both is 1. Now going up, I'm going to factor 2x squared and 1x. And my GCF between those two will just simply be x. And then going up, my GCF between negative 6x and negative 3 is negative 3. So now that I have unpacked my box, I can write what's on the outside as my two binomials. The first one I got 2x plus 1 because they're both positive. And across the top, I have x minus 3. And that is my answer.